Hey guys, what's up? As you can tell by the title, we're giving away an RTX 2070. I'm making this video short and sweet, so I'm going to get right into what I'm talking about, but I'm going to try to talk slower than I just did. Okay, so for anyone that doesn't know, I was banned on Twitch for 30 days, and I just got back tonight, or when I'm making this video, around this time, when it's uploaded yesterday. I was unbanned, and I did a quick live stream to make sure I'm completely unbanned and I can get subs again. We actually got like 10 Twitch Prime subs. So basically, if you don't know what a Twitch Prime sub is, it is basically, if you have Twitch Prime, which is like a $5 a month thing on Twitch, or if you have Amazon Prime, you get it for free, and basically you can sub to a channel and it gives them money, etc, etc. So basically, I'm going to be restarting the RTX 2070 Twitch sub giveaway, which I tried doing, but then I got banned. So basically, between now and 30 days from now, giving this way everyone has a chance if they've already used their Twitch Prime sub, anyone who subs with Twitch Prime to my Twitch between now and next month will have a chance, will get an entry, one entry per sub. So you can gift subs and you can sub more than once, or you could do a higher tier sub for more entries. Basically, any kind of sub on Twitch, either if you pay for it, or it's $5 a sub, or if you do Twitch Prime subs. I'm just trying to get a bunch of subs so I can grow my Twitch channel, because I do like streaming on Twitch. I stream on Twitch. I try to do every day, but right now I have a lot of work, so soon it'll be every day, but right now it's mostly around 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, 8 to 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time is when you'll see me on Twitch. But basically, if you sub with Twitch Prime, you get an entry, and a month from now, so like September 30th or something like that, there will be a winner. And basically, obviously you don't see I don't have an RTX 2070. I do have a great deal on one, which is saved for me. And basically, I'm just going to buy it and have the shipping address to your house so I don't have to pay for extra shipping. But basically, or if you want me to ship it to a post office or something, but somehow it's got to get to you. Basically, whoever wins, I'm going to buy you an RTX 2070. But I have sweetened the deal a little bit. There will be a second place, which will get 16 gigs of DDR4 2400. Yes, I know that's pretty slow, but it's just what I have extra. So this is the RAM we have for now. We have different RAMs, but those are for the RAM giveaways on YouTube. This will be for actually anybody. So, no, this will be for Twitch subs. This is the second place winner of the Twitch sub giveaway. But I have a surprise also for everyone else. If we hit 100 Twitch Prime subs, or 100 subs at all, at any point during the month. Now, yes, I know that's a big goal, but to be honest, basically, if I get 100 subs, then I can pay for this item. I will give one of anybody, so it doesn't even have to be sub, any Twitch follower. So make sure you follow my Twitch, link in the description, and also my Discord link in the description. If you want to know whenever I'm live, Discord will at everyone and be like, hey, I'm live. Anybody who's followed my Twitch and comes on any of my live streams I will, as I see someone come on my live stream, I'll basically add them to the list of people, or one of my moderators will. Basically, anybody, if we had 100 Twitch Prime subs or 100 subs, one of you, anyone, will win a 5700, an RX 5700 Radeon graphics card. For reference, that's just the good card. If you don't know what the 5700 is, RX 5700, it's AMD's, not flagship, it's the 5700 XT is their flagship card right now, but it's the one right below that. It's compared to like an RTX 2060 Super. It's better though. It's the best thing on the planet. And not a reference cooler because, yeah, not a blower style, like an actual good one probably, if they come out with that in a month. But basically, 100 Twitch Prime subs, and one of you guys will have a chance. It could be a sub, or it could just be someone else random. It'll be a Twitch follower who I've seen in chat. We'll have a chance to win a 5700. So that's pretty good. So we have an RTX 2070, not super. That's why I'm getting such a good deal on it, because it's just a regular RTX 2070. Still good though for our Twitch Prime sub. If you have subbed before, like if you subbed during the last time I tried to do it, I will still count your subs. You get an entry per sub or per tier. So if you do a tier 2 or tier 3 sub, you get 3 or 2 or 1. Basically, you sub, you're entered, and you have a chance to win, and I will whisper to you on Twitch if you win the RTX 2070 to get all the contact details and send it to you. Second place will get 16 gigs of DDR4 2400. Obviously not as good, but you can sell it if you don't need it, and it's just good RAM. It's nice. It's got all this heatsink and stuff on it. You might have seen this before. It is used because it's what I have, but RAM is RAM, one way or another. And it's good RAM. And I might do more, and then we'll have more RAM giveaways, basically, because we're coming back to Twitch, and we want to try to get Twitch partner. So that's basically it. If you subscribe to Twitch Prime between now and 30 days from now, so everyone has a chance, you get entered to win an RTX 2070. 100 Twitch Prime subs. Anybody who is followed on Twitch, make sure you follow my Twitch, because following my Twitch also gets you entries to any of my computer giveaways. So if you're followed on Twitch, you're automatically entered into every single one of my computer giveaways. So that's actually pretty good, and you get extra entries. But that's the point. That's about it. So if you subscribe, you get that, yada yada. Thank you guys so much for watching. Link in the description to everything you'll need. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.